Suppose you come to class and see the following graphic on the board. The instructor asks you to put your name somewhere within this graphic, but doesn't give any more instructions than this. So, along with your classmates, you go to the board and put in your name in the appropriate section of the graphic. I would like you to take a quick moment and think about where would you put your name on this picture? Did you decide? Where would you put your name here? Well, let's start with the middle. If you put your name in the middle, this means that you use both Instagram and TikTok. If you put your name on the left part of the circle, you are only an Instagram user. And if you put your name in the right-hand circle, you are only a TikTok user. Now, what if you decide to put your name on the outside of both circles, but still within the rectangle? These are the people who aren't using Instagram or TikTok. Now, here's the thing. All of this information from a class full of people is in one graphic that is easy to see and also interpret quickly. This is the beauty of the Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is used to visualize sets and their relationships. Now let's go over a few more definitions. The universal set is the set of all objects that are reasonable to consider in that situation. So using our Instagram/TikTok example, the universal set would be everyone in the class, those inside the Instagram and or TikTok circles, and those outside the circles, but still within the rectangle. The complement is the set of elements in the universal set, but not in set A. So that would be, so I'm going to shade everything here that is not in set A. And the symbol we use for the complement is A with this little apostrophe out here. Using the example from the beginning of the video, if set A is the set of people using Instagram, then the complement is everyone not using Instagram. Next is the intersection. The intersection is the set of all elements that are in both set A and set B. The symbol is A, and then we're going to make this intersection symbol, which is kind of like an N without the stick part on it, then B. And this represents the middle section, so I'm going to just shade right here in between A and B. In the Instagram TikTok example, this would be the people who use Instagram and TikTok. The next definition is union, which is the set of all elements in A or B or both. The symbol is A and then this union symbol, which is kind of like a U without the stem on it, B. And this represents both circles being shaded. If we use this to describe our Instagram/TikTok example, this would be the people who use Instagram or TikTok or both. The next definition is disjoint. Two events are disjoint if they do not have an intersection, which means that an element cannot be in both sets. This is also known as being mutually exclusive. For example, if you are cleaning out your closet, you can either keep an item or get rid of it. Now, getting rid of an item takes many forms. So you can give it away, have a garage sale, donate it, or make it a hand-me-down for a sibling. But the item either stays in your closet or it leaves your closet. It does one or the other. It can't do both. And finally, we have subset. Subset is illustrated by this picture here on the right, where every element in set A is in set B. This Venn diagram looks a little bit different because the two circles are not separate. The set A is contained completely within set B. So every element in set A is also in set B. Now just be really careful because the opposite is not necessarily true. The notation is written as A, then subset B.